What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So Ashley released a statement denying Sweet Guluva's claims of reaching out to have access to their child. And the statement reads as follows: "To whom it may concern, it has come to my attention that Akhona Mathemba Zwane, which is Sweet Guluva, has made it public that he has reached out to me and my family with regards to my pregnancy and the birth of my beautiful newborn son. I would like to put it on record that no such attempt has been made to me and my family. I cannot deny access to someone that has made no attempt to be part of the pregnancy or the birth of my son. The last contact I had with Akhona Mathemba Zwane was after the birth of my son, and the only thing that he wanted to know was if he was registered on the birth certificate, to which I responded, 'No, I didn't register you as you were not present,' and he requested to meet in a public space of which I was not comfortable, having just given birth. Lastly, since he mentioned the Zulu culture, my parents have been disrespected throughout the whole process of my pregnancy as proper procedure was not followed. I have gone to hell and back throughout my pregnancy while enduring all the public bullying from his fans and some of his friends, public humiliation, voice notes questioning the same pregnancy, defamatory remarks, judging me about my mental health at the family gatherings, sharing my private life with former housemates, his family, his friends, and his fans. Since he's now suddenly unsure of the paternity of my son, I have nothing further to discuss with him. I will not be commenting on this any further. All further communications between Akhona Mathemba Zwane and myself will be done through my legal representatives. Sincerely, Ashley Ogu."